Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a review of a blue card £2 coin. This is an Isle of Man coin and it's dated 2023. And it celebrates the Isle of Man TT races. It's a £2 coin. It's in the change checker package and there we go. This is the 2023 TT celebration coin and it takes part. The TT races have just finished and they were between the 29th of May and the 10th of June 2023. The Isle of Man TT is Isle of Man Tourist Trophy. The first race took place in 1907 and there's been 102 races since that time. The first winner was Ren Fowler in 1907 and the record lap is by Peter Huckman. It is 156.358 miles per hour and the lap took 16 minutes 36 seconds 36.114 seconds. Unfortunately there is a fatality figure of going into the 2023 season of 267. So it is a dangerous sport. And you do hear about fatalities of the non-riders, the people who come to ride their own bikes around the TT track. Several of them dying as well. In 2020 and 2021, the TT races were cancelled due to COVID. The most wins of TT is Joey Dunlop, and he won 26 races between 1977 and the year 2000. There are several different classes. There's a senior TT, which has run from 1909 to present. The junior TT ran from 1911 to the present day. Superbike TT ran from 2005 to present. The Super Stock TT ran from 2005 to present. Super Twin TT started in 2022. And the Sidecar TT ran between 1923 and 1925, then restarted again between 1951 and 1967, and had a third go between 1977 and the present day. And this coin shows the sidecar. TT sidecar racing. There have been several of these coins over the years. They include Haslam, I think also Joey Dunlop has had one, and they've come either as single coins or pairs of coins over, I think there's been about 6 or 7 of them. And of course there's the famous 1997 50p, which you occasionally see coin tubers who do 50p coin hunts find. So that's a little bit about the TTs. What do you think of this coin? I actually like this coin and I think it's a good inclusion into that sport set of coins that have represented the TT races. So I've finished my review of the coin. What do you think of it? Do you like it? Do you disagree with what I've said? Either way, I'll be interested in seeing your comments. This year, I've now finished the review. This year, like last year, I'm trying to up my subscriber level. So, if you're one of the people who haven't subscribed, and there are about 80% of you that watch the channel aren't currently subscribed, and you think I deserve it, please give me not just a thumbs up for the video, but also think about subscribing. I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes and collectibles and of course the the memorabilia, the military memorabilia. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching, as a minimum. Although I've been doing 5 just recently. As I say, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.